another with the Feisty Pets mini-series 1. So just pass it over right now. Can you photo us? Okay.
I completely got that. So.
Wait, who gets to open it? Oh, he good. He's doing his first baby steps of learning how to open it. That's what he's using.
Let's see.
Let's see what we got. Wait, I think I know one of these. Wait. Oh, you know what? I just realized you can bring your pet around. You can bring your pet around and just do it good. Broke off the handle of that. Okay, let's open it.
Let's switch. Oh, there is a unicorn one that you can collect. We got a Sammy Super Punch. Sammy Super Punch.
You're wondering how I did it? It's this little button. When you press it down, it does that.
Then it goes.
When it's unpressed, then this is what happens.
Then it goes.
It's unpressed.
Then it goes.
I'm gonna bite you. That's how it goes.
He's doing that again.
It's tank.
Cute.
Okay, we can take this. We can put it in a video.
I'm gonna take it to school tomorrow.
The teacher will never know.
Yeah, the teacher will never know. I'm gonna show it to my friends. Little tiny cat named Sammy.
My name
is Sammy.
Okay. It looks like another cat again. It's just a little. Put him in this cage and pretty much take a walk with him. There's whale, super whale, and ultra whale. So we got a unicorn. We got a unicorn, a koala. I don't even know.
Okay, but look, super whale and
Look, we got one.
we got that one.
We got a dragon, a cat, a kitty cat, a bunny, an owl, a monkey. That's the one we got, and a turtle.
So it looks like we got an ultra rare and a super rare.
And another dragon, and a unicorn, and one of these, I don't know what that is. A puppy, and that's a lion, and that's a bear, and that's a kangaroo, and that's all of them. This tongue fell out of my hand.
Thanks for joining us on opening up the Feisty Pets Mini Misfits Series 1.
Buy one of these yourself, but you can buy one of these yourself in the link. Yeah, in the description. Don't hope they do this to your house. I'm just joking. They're just toys.
Hope they don't do that.
How bad can it be?
Probably will.
Hope you enjoyed. Click the link to buy one of these for yourself. Goodbye.